Hello everyone, welcome to After School. Today we are going to read and understand a beautiful poem from your English course book. It's called The Flag of Peace by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. This poem imagines a world where everyone lives in peace. There is no fighting, no war, just one big family under a big rainbow flag. Sounds magical, isn't it? Let's read it and understand the meaning of the poem. So let's begin. Men long have fought for their flying flags. They have died those flags to save. It means for centuries people have gone to wars to defend the flags of their countries. A flag is not just a cloth, it's a symbol of their homeland, their pride, and everything they believe in. Soldiers have marched into dangerous battles just to keep their flag safe. Sadly, many never returned home, giving their lives for it. Imagine a soldier holding his country's flag high in the wind, even when danger is all around him. That's the kind of loyalty this line talks about. Next line. Their long staves rest on the shattered breast. They are planted deep in the grave. So here flagpoles are called staves. The staves that once stood tall are now broken. They lie silently over the graves of the soldiers who carried them. Shattered breast here means the broken chest of a soldier. But it's also a symbol for a life that has ended. The staves are planted in the ground, just like flowers on a grave, to honor the bravery of those who fought. You can almost picture a quiet cemetery with flags leaning against the stones, telling stories of courage and loss. Let's look at the word meanings. Staves means long sticks or poles. Shattered means broken into pieces. Planted means buried deep in the ground. And breast means chest. Here it is used for the soldier's body. Next line. Now the world's new flag is streaming wide, far flying wide and high. The poet now dreams of something different, a new kind of flag. This one isn't just for one country, it's for the whole world. It waves proudly in the air, moving freely like a ribbon in the wind, and everyone can see it, no matter where they live. Instead of dividing people, this flag brings them together. Imagine a huge flag stretching across the sky like a blanket of unity. Let's look at the word meanings. Streaming means flowing or moving like a wave or ribbon. It shall cover the earth from side to side as the rainbow rings the sky. It means this new flag will now stretch across the entire earth, just like a rainbow wraps itself around the sky. Rainbows are made of many colors, all side by side without fighting. This rainbow flag will be just like that. Different people, different cultures, but all living together in peace. Can you imagine looking up and seeing one giant rainbow flag smiling down at us? Rings. It means surrounds completely. Next line. The flag of the day when men shall stand for service, not for fight. Now, this is the flag of a future day when people will stand up not to harm each other but to help each other. Instead of picking up weapons, they will pick up tools to build, heal, and serve. Maybe they will plant trees, help the poor, or invent something that makes the world better. This line asks us to imagine a world where kindness is the weapon and service is the goal. Service means helping others, working for the good of all. When every race in every land shall join for the world's delight. Now, one day, people from every race, color, and culture will join hands like friends. No one will say you're different from me. Instead, they'll say you are my brother, you are my sister. They will work together, not because they have to, but because it makes the world happier. Okay? Delight means happiness. Race means group of people with different looks, backgrounds, or cultures. When all our flags shall blend in one, and all our wars shall cease. 'Neath the new flag, the true flag, the rainbow flag of peace. Here this 'neath means with an apostrophe means beneath, beneath, beneath. So now the poet dreams of the day when wars will stop forever. No more soldiers, no fighting, no more bombs, no more fear. Everyone will live under one true flag, the rainbow flag of peace. Just as a rainbow has many colors, but they shine together. People from every land will live in harmony under this flag. Cease means to stop completely, and beneath means under. So these are the word meanings for you. Who? People of every race and from every land. What will they do? They will live peacefully as one nation under a flag of peace. How? By stopping wars and uniting with each other. Why? For peace and humanity. And when? In the future. So this is about the poet. Wasn't that a beautiful poem? It tells us we should stop fighting and come together as one family. Let's do the exercises in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.